close-in fighting, close combat, water shells. Like D-Day the following year, the Salerno landings were tightly fought conflict for a small amount of ground as they held the beachhead.
It's right next to where those guys were landing. Fuck. There could be no more.
Just gonna kill him.
It'd be awesome if this fucking microphone was
On the beaches at Salerno, the Rangers took quite a pasting. As the battlefield is secured,
I looked around until I found a pair of silver wings.
that's just a taster, ladies and gentlemen, what starts at 1 to 2 this afternoon. Full-blown tank battle here in the main arena. And I haven't plugged the programs for well on 2 minutes. If you don't have a program yet, that should be your first mission. Just £2, available at the entrance, up at the Victory merchandise shop in the retail park, and there are people walking around at random selling them to you.
to the guys up there.
There's still people out there.
Yeah, I was just wondering, they came towards the hay bale.
Yeah, it's bad.